So hi guys, yesterday guys we were selling your USD guys, we hit our targets. Okay guys, so the question remains, what are we going to do today? Yesterday EA was quite aggressive. Its target 2 was at 1.1500, and guys it was kind of right because it almost hit the second target. So we it almost hit its second target as well. So the AI was able to understand momentum and draw target accordingly guys. So today guys, in my opinion, we are to the south side. After doing my analysis, I will do AI analysis. And I guess as long as we are below 1.16274, guys, we are bearish. And guys, my first target would be 1.15728, and my next target, guys, would be 1.15314. Because if we want to do a correction, guys, we need to break above this level. And once we do, guys, we will be going for 1.16790. We could also go for 1.17067, but we need to break above it. If we are unable to break above that, guys, I think we are going to go down. Catching tops and bottom is not our job, guys. So let's do the AI analysis. So guys, let's start analysis here. I'm going to pause the video. Alright, so the result is here, and we are also bullish here as well. Okay, bullish continuation. Let's start doing the Wednesday. Okay. So let's copy this and discuss this on the chart anyways. So here we are guys, and the AI says our validation zone is 1.16200. It's almost the same as ours. And target one is 1.1550. Okay, it's a bit lower than ours. And the next target is guys, 2 is 1.15300. The analysis is almost same as ours, and if it breaks above 1.16200, the target is 1.1660. It is going for this area. So almost it's the same. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.